The Judicial Service Commission has nominated David Kenani Maraga for the position of Chief Justice of Kenya after hours of deliberations this morning at a hotel in Karen. The commission forwarded the name of David Maraga, stating that he emerged as the best candidate to become the Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya. KTN's Timothy Otieno begins our wall-to-wall coverage.
The Judicial Service Commission, after lengthy deliberation, recommended Honorable Mr. Justice David Kenani Maraga for appointment of a Chief Justice.
The announcement caught the Kenyan nation by surprise, signaling an end to a lengthy 19-day recruitment process to find Justice Dr. William Mutunga's successor. David Kenani Maraga emerged as the man given the nod by all 9 commissioners of the judicial body, who insisted he best displayed temperament needed to steer Kenya's judiciary well into the future.
We look for an individual who has outstanding jurisprudence, who has integrity and has stood out amongst his peers. We are looking for a candidate who will further the transformation agenda of the judiciary and to take the judiciary to the next level. We are looking for a candidate who will get judges, magistrates, and judicial staff to work.
For a man who stood out during his interview with the commission, the selection of David Maraga as nominee to the position of Chief Justice may not have come as a surprise for pundits in the judicial realm, who had indicated that David, alongside Al Nasir Visram and Smoking Wanjala, outperformed other candidates seeking the same position.
It is not that Judge Maraga was a safe selection. No, he wasn't. He stood out, as I've said. And he stood out as that individual who will lead the judiciary and will ensure that the little issues that we've had in the Supreme Court end.
Justice David Maraga, a staunch Adventist who said that he would give up his job at the judiciary if he was forced to work on a Saturday, vowed to revive the program for helping the poor with court cases, as well as appoint a senior judge to head the judiciary's ombudsman's office.
If you look at my CV, I have been involved in building of churches in literally all over the country, from Kinango, Kitui, Nyamin, all these places.
The Judicial Service Commission has since forwarded Maraga's name to the office of the President. President Uhuru Kenyatta now has 14 days to submit Maraga's nomination to the National Assembly, who will in turn have 21 days to vet his suitability before casting a vote as to whether David Kenani Maraga will eventually assume the presidency of Kenya's judiciary. So for now, the Judicial Service Commission will be shifting its focus to selecting a suitable candidate for the Deputy Chief Justice of the judiciary of the country, even as the nation heads to a general election in which the country's judiciary is expected to play a monumental role. Timothy Otieno, KTN News.